Hello everyone, welcome back. Today I'll show you how to import Altium Designer EDA files into EasyEDA. First, in Altium Designer, you need to package both the schematic and PCB file into a compressed file. Please note that only zip format is supported. Next, open EasyEDA. Click File, Import. Then select Altium Designer and click Confirm. Locate your prepared zip file and click Import. During the import process, you can choose from the following options based on your needs. Import document, extract libraries. Import document and extract libraries. There are also two important settings to pay attention to via solder mask expansion. If you choose all cover oil, that means first all vias to be tinted, covered with solder mask. If you choose to follow original settings, that means keep the original via setting from the EDA file. About the board outline source, from keep out layer, suitable when the board outline is drawn on the keep out layer. This is the default option. From mechanical layer 1, closed keep out shapes will be covered into restricted areas, while unclosed shapes will be moved to the mechanical layer. After configuring the settings, click Save. Then select Open in New Window to open the imported project. That's it. The EDA file has now been successfully imported into EasyEDA. That's all for today's demo. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and follow. See you next time.
$85,000 prize pool. The EasyEDA 2026 Stars competition is now open worldwide. Material costs largely reimbursed. $100 JLC coupon for every qualified completed project. Top 28 engineers get invited to JLC Factory to see production up close. No pitch decks, no fluff, just working hardware. Submit your build now.